Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share Chemistry ESET 2023 AP key. The termination step in the cationic polymerization is caused by. Generally, cationic polymerization is caused by the attack of the cation and hence it can be terminated by the attack of an anion. So, option C is the right answer. Fluoride pollution mainly affects. Fluoride mainly affects the teeth. So, the right option is A. What is the chemical formula of Calgon? Calgon can be called as sodium hexametaphosphate. So, option A is the right answer. When a crystal of solute is introduced into a supersaturated solution of the solution, which of the following is true? So, whenever a crystal is introduced into supersaturated solution, the excess of solute will crystallize out. So, option B is the right answer. So, moving to the fifth question. The density of a solution prepared by dissolving 100 gram of urea having the molecular weight 60 units in 1000 gram of water is 1.15. What is the molarity of the solution? So, molarity of the solution can be determined by using the formula weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by V in ml. So here what is the weight of the urea? 100. Gram molecular weight is 60 into 1000 by what is the volume of the solution? Here 100 grams of urea is dissolved in 1000 grams. So the total weight is 1100 grams and density is given, that is 1.15. So volume of the solution can be obtained by dividing the mass by density, that is equal to 1100 divided by 1.15. So let us substitute this value at the volume. Then it becomes 1100 into 1.15. So on calculating, you will get 1.73 as the answer. So here in this case, option D 1.73 is the right answer. On electrolyzing a solution of dilute sulfuric acid between the platinum electrodes, the gas evolved at anode and at cathode are respectively. Here it is the sulfuric acid solution. On electrolysis, what happens? The cations will move towards the cathode. Here the cations are H plus ions. Anions will move towards the anode. And here the anions are SO4 minus 2. So here if the anion contains oxygen as one of the atom, definitely oxygen gas will be released at the anode, and because of the H plus ions at the cathode, always H2 gas will be released at the cathode. So at anode oxygen gas and at cathode hydrogen gas will be released. So option C is the right answer. Which of the following gases on dissolution in water make the solution acidic? So whenever carbon dioxide is present and that is dissolved in water, it is responsible for the formation of carbonic acid. Similarly, whenever sulfur trioxide is dissolved in water, it results in the formation of sulfuric acid. These two acids are responsible for the acidic nature of the solution. So especially B and C are responsible for the acidic nature. So option B is the right answer. Next, we will move on to the 8th question. Which of the following two metals are corrosion resistance? So in the given options, especially nickel and copper are the two metals which are having resistance towards the corrosion. In a hydrogen atom, if the energy of an electron in the ground state is 13.6 electron volt, then that in the second excited state is. So here in the ground state, that means in the first orbit, the energy of the electron is given as 13.6, and we are supposed to calculate the energy in the second excited state. So it is the first excited state and it is the second excited state. So here 2 is the orbit number, and for the second excited state orbit number is 3. So here n equal to 3. So the energy of the hydrogen atom can be calculated by using the formula minus 13.6 divided by n square, and here it is the energy and that is given as 13.6 divided by n means here 3. So 9, that is equal to 1.51 electron volts. So option A is the right answer. Silicosis is caused by especially silicosis is caused by the inhalation of aerosols present in the air. So option B is the right answer. The coating which protects the base metal sacrificially. So if it is the base metal, it can be protected from the corrosion if this base metal acts as the cathode, and the coating metal will act as the anode. So here the protection is mainly due to the sacrificial nature of the anode. So anodic coating will protect the base metal sacrificially. So option B is the right answer. Coming to the 12th question. Which of the following set of quantum numbers is correct for an electron present in the 4f orbital? For 4f orbital, n is equal to 4 and f equal to 3. So on verification, here option A is wrong. Remember that L value should not be greater than n. Here L value is 2, that means it is the d orbital. A and B are not the correct answers. Coming to the C and D, here L equal to 3, that means it is a f orbital. But coming to the m value, it is given as plus 4. Again it is the wrong set. So coming to the D option, n equal to 4, L equal to 3, m equal to plus 1 and s equal to plus half. It is the right answer. So option D is the right answer. In an electrolytic cell, the flow of electrons is from, especially the flow of electrons takes place from cathode to anode through the external supply. So option B is the right answer. Which of the following is also known as elastomer? The other name of elastomer is synthetic rubber. So option C is the right answer. Brackish water means especially ocean water or sea water contains 3.5% of salts and it is salty in nature. That's why it is called as brackish water. That means it contains 2.6% of NaCl. So in particular, salt water can be called as brackish water. So option D is the right answer. Let us move on to the next question. That is 16th question. So coming to the 16th question, the sulfur compounds present in gasoline can be removed by. So for the removal of sulfur compounds from the gasoline, always sodium plumbite will be added. So option D is the right answer. The thermodynamic efficiency of a cell is given by. So it can be given by knowing the value of Gibbs function against change in enthalpy. So Gibbs function means G, that is given as NFE. So always option A is the right answer. Which of the following statements in relation to the hydrogen atom is true? So, in case of hydrogen atom, only one electron is present, that is present in the first orbit. So, here third orbit is given. That means in the third orbit, the 3s, 3p, 3d orbitals will be present. All these orbitals will have the same energy. So, option B is the right answer. Coming to the 19th question, the concentrated sulfuric acid that is sold commercially is 95% H2SO4 by weight. That means 95 grams of sulfuric acid is present in 100 ml or 100 grams of the solution. If the density of the acid is 1.89, calculate its molarity. Again, here we have to calculate the molarity by using the formula weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by volume in ml. So, weight of the sulfuric acid is 98, gram molecular weight is 98, and here the volume of the solution is not given, weight is given, and that is 100, but here density is given. So, mass by density gives the volume, so it can be multiplied with 1.89. Why? Here the volume is equal to mass by density. Mass is 100 and the density is 1.89. So, on substituting this value here, you will get the answer as so what is the answer? That is 18.3. So, option D is the right answer. Let us move on to the 20th question. At 25 degrees centigrade, the standard EMF of a cell having the reactions involving two electrons change is found to be 0.295 volt. The equilibrium constant of the reaction is. By using Nernst equation, the equilibrium constant can be calculated by using the expression E naught is equal to 0.0591 divided by n into log k. That implies log k is equal to 0.0591 divided by n into E naught. So, on substituting 0.0591 by here 2 electron change means n equal to 2. And the standard EMF of the cell is 0.295. Actually, it is 1 by log k. So, that is equal to 1 by 10. And hence log k equal to 10. That implies k is equal to 10 power 10. So, here option C is the right answer. Alkalinity of water is due to the presence of especially hydroxides, carbonates, bicarbonates are responsible for the total hardness of the water, and hence all the three are responsible for the alkalinity. So, option D is the right answer. The compound in which carbon uses its sp3 hybrid orbitals. So, sp3 hybrid orbitals means always carbon is capable of forming only single bonds. Let us check the structural formula of the given compounds. So, the first compound is CH, CH3, CH3, CH3. Here all carbon atoms are present in the sp3 hybridized state. Coming to the second compound, CH3, C double bond O, OH. Here sp2 carbon is present. Coming to the third option, CH3, CHO. Again sp2 carbon atom is present. Coming to the fourth option, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Here again sp2 carbon atom is present. So option A is the right answer. Here the carbon uses only sp3 hybridized orbitals. Moving to the 23rd question. The conjugate acid of S2O8 minus 2 is, whenever you are supposed to find the conjugate acid for the given species, you just add a proton. That means HS2O8 minus. So here it is option C, that is HS2O8 minus is the right answer. Variable valency is shown by, whenever if you consider p block elements, for example phosphorus, it exhibits +3 +5 oxidation state. Similarly, if we consider d block elements, they exhibits number of oxidation states. Variable means not a single oxidation state, but they exhibits more than one oxidation state. Especially p block elements and d block elements exhibits variable oxidation states. If you consider chromium +1 to +6, it exhibits the variable oxidation states. So option C, that is P and D block elements, is the right answer. Which of the following is an inorganic polymer? Inorganic polymer means its main chain contains atoms other than carbon. If we consider silicone rubber, it consists of silicon and oxygen in the main chain. So silicone is the inorganic polymer. So option A is the right answer. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.